Hey guys, this is Alan with Center Consoles Only, and I would like to invite you to the second official episode of CCO Customs. Alright, in episode 1, we went through the breakdown of the 1973 Seacraft. Now, step 2, we're going to go and start rebuilding. So what we did first is we actually got the cap and we flipped it face down. That way we can structurally reinforce the entire thing. It's a 1973, it needed a lot of that. So we got some Divinisil material, a 1.5 ounce fiberglass material to bond that. And then we actually went over that with a 1708 to just completely make it into one structural strong piece. What we do with a 1708, which is a biaxial material, so like a 90-degree weave, gives it a lot of strength. Once it's done, we get into every single nook and cranny to make sure we get all the air bubbles out and we get full coverage in the entire cap. So removing the deck exposed the entire interior. As you saw in episode 1, we removed the fuel tank to replace it with a new one. What we wanted to do here is actually grind down all the moldy and old and just material you don't want underneath your deck so we can replace it with new product. So as you can see at this point, we flipped the cap right side up and started filling all the holes. We basically wanted to start with a clean slate so Vaughn can put all the product, rod holders, what have you, as he likes it himself. The transom area in this cap actually had flattened out. Someone had done previous work and they closed that transom and they did not do it properly. So what we did is we broke all that down. We actually made a new mold of the radius, how Seacraft is known to have it, out of Formica, and we restructured it how it should have been out of the factory from Seacraft. At this point, we start sanding and prep for paint. So that's it for episode 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Episode 3, we're going to start reinforcing things below deck, insert the fuel tank, all the supports, so we can install that deck and get the boat ready for paint.